Have you ever wondered what your pets are up to? What mischief your kids are getting into? And if your package arrived safely while you were away? Set up Foscam cameras in seconds, and you can easily know what's going on inside and outside the home or office. Keep an eye on your little ones playing outside in high-definition video. Foscam's customizable motion and sound alerts will notify you via your mobile phone, keeping you informed of only the important things. Know your home life no matter where you are. Foscam's cameras are resilient against the toughest weather and opponents. We all have those unexpected moments. With Foscam's cloud playback timeline, easily go back and discover what happened when you're away, even if it's hidden in the past. Even when you're away, with the push of a button, you can zoom in on a friend or move the camera around to see what funny business they're up to. With Foscam's two-way audio, you can talk back and forth no matter where you are.
Silly puppy, what are you up to?
You can easily share those special moments through the app for the world to see. We all like to take a moment to get away with the ones we love, but sometimes unfortunate things happen in our lives that we need to know about and be alerted to, no matter where we are. With Foscam's easy-to-use cloud, you always have access to past recordings for those moments you need to retrieve, keeping your home and family safe. Foscam has provided over 5 million homes with affordable, reliable solutions to home security for over 10 years, helping people feel safe and connected to the things that matter most. Connect to your world today with Foscam.